In this video, I am going to explain about factorization of polynomial part 2. Hope you have already seen my previous video, factorization of polynomial part 1. In this video, I am going to factorize quadratic polynomials and cubic polynomials. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends and family members. Let's go through it. These type of questions are another application of factor theorem or factorization. Factorize 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Here, first you have to check whether the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. Here the coefficient of x square is not 1. So, you have to take this coefficient into this side, into the constant side. Here, x square coefficient is there, x coefficient is there and a constant term. So, before factorization, you have to consider two terms. First one p plus q and second one pq. P plus q will give you the coefficient of x term, that is 7. And pq, if the coefficient of x square is equal to 1, then you can directly take this constant term. If this is not equal to 1, then you have to multiply this constant term with respect to this x square term. Here 3 multiplied by 2, which will give you 6. Then you have to consider factors such as by multiplication you have to get 6 and on addition you have to get 7. So, when you are multiplying the factors, you have to get 6 and when you are adding the numbers, you have to get 7. So, go through those numbers whose multiplication will give you 6 and whose addition will give you 7. So, we can consider 1, 6 and also 2, 3. So, when you are considering 1 and 6 or 6, 1, you will be getting product as 6 and sum will also be getting it as 7. 6 plus 1 will give you 7. On multiplying 2 and 3, you will be getting product as 6, but your sum will give you only 5. So, these numbers you can't take. You can go for these numbers only. Then you have to write in this manner only 2x square plus 1x plus 6x. This one you have to split. This sum term you have to split plus 3. 2x square and 3 will remains the same and this sum term you have to split. Then you have to divide this up or group this into 2. First, you have to go for 2x square plus 1x, then you have to consider 6x plus 3. Then, first grouping 2x square plus 1x. Here, you can take your common term outside. Here, 2x square plus 1x, your common term is x. I am taking that x outside, then remaining terms, that is 2x and 1 will remain here. Then this positive sign as such I am putting. Here also I am taking the common term outside. Here 6x plus 3 common factor is 3. So, I am taking that 3 outside. Then remaining terms are 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. So, 2x plus 1. Here you will be getting one term as common. So, I can write that common term here 2x plus 1, then remaining x and 3 I can group it together and can write it as x plus 3. These are your factors. 2x plus 1 and x plus 3 are the factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Fifth question, factorize 3x square minus x minus 4. Here also your coefficient of x square is not 1. So you can go for p plus q and pq terms. P plus q is negative 1 and pq is 4, which has to be multiplied by 3. Here 4 is not 4 alone. 4 you have to take it as negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by 3. So you will be getting it as minus 12. Then you have to consider two terms whose product is equal to minus 12 and whose sum is equal to minus 1. You can go for any terms 1, 12. You have to consider negative sign also. Sum you have to got it as negative 1 and product you have to get it as negative 12. Then 12, factors of 12 are 6, 2, then 4, 3. 6 multiplied by 2 will give you 12, but sum will not give you 1. Then 4 multiplied by 3 will give you product as 12 and sum. 4 plus 3 will give you 7 only. So you have to go for a negative sign in here. So I can take minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 and minus 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to minus 12. So my two numbers I have got. So I can write it as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. I am grouping this into 2. I am taking a common term outside. Here only x is my common term. So I am taking x outside. Remaining terms 3x minus 4. Then 3x minus 4, there is no common term. So I am taking only 1 outside. So 3x minus 4. So I got a common term here. So I can write that common term 3x minus 4 and my remaining terms x and 1, that I can written it as x plus 1. So my factors are 3x minus 4 and x plus 1 are the factors of this polynomial 3x square minus x minus. Your sixth question is factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Here you have to consider your constant term 20. Factors of 20 are, which are those factors? Factors of 20 are 1, 2, then 4, 5, 10, etc. You have to consider negative sign also. First upon, this is a cubic polynomial. So you have to get a zero polynomial from this. For obtaining a zero polynomial, you have to consider both positive and negative factors of this constant term 20. So in this, if you are considering positive terms, you won't obtain a zero because here all terms are positive. So you can consider a negative term. For considering a negative term, you have to consider a positive term as a factor. So if you are considering x plus 1 as a factor, then you can consider p of negative 1 will be equal to 0. So first step for p of negative 1. Substitute the value p of negative 1 instead of x and check whether it is 0 or not. So minus 1 all cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 multiplied by minus 1 plus 20. Here minus 1 cube is minus 1. 13 into 1 square is 13. 32 into minus 1 is minus 32 plus 20. Minus 1 plus 13, 12. 12 minus 32 minus 20. Minus 20 plus 22 is equal to 0. So you got the result as 0. So you can consider x plus 1 as a factor of this polynomial. So one of the factors of this polynomial is x plus 1. So divide this polynomial x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 by x plus 1 and find out other two factors. For a cubic polynomial, there are three factors. So you got one of the factor as x plus 1 and go for the remaining factors. So I got it x plus 1 as a factor of this polynomial. So I can divide this polynomial by x plus 1 and can go for factorization. First you have to divide this polynomial by x plus 1. X cube by x will give you x square. X square into x cube, x square plus 1. Then you have to subtract x cube minus x cube 0, 13x square minus 1 x square, that is equal to 12x square plus 32x. I am bringing this 32 here. Then 12x square divided by x will give you 12x. 12x multiplied by x, 12x square. 12x multiplied by 1, which will give you 12x. Then 32x minus 12x, which is equal to 20x. Then I am bringing this 20 down. 20x by x will give you 20. 20 multiplied by x will give you 20x. 20 multiplied by 1 will give you 20. So I got the answer as 0. So I got the polynomial as x square plus 12x plus 20. So here you have to consider two terms. Since the coefficient of x square is 1, you can go directly for considering p plus q is equal to 12 and pq is equal to 20. For 5 we won't get sum as 12. So we can't go for 4, 5, then 5, 4, then multiplication of 20. We can go for 10 and 2 because 10 plus 2 will give you 12 and 10 multiplied by 2 will give you 20. So you can rewrite this as s square plus 2x plus 10x plus 20. This 12x I am splitting 2x plus 10x. So x square plus 2x plus 10x plus 20. Here I am grouping in this manner and here I am taking my common factor which is x outside. So x plus 2. Here I am taking 10 outside. So I will be getting x plus 2. So I got it as x plus 2 common and next one is x plus 10. So I got it as x plus 2 and x plus 10 are the other factors of this polynomial. Seventh question, factorize 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Here there are negative signs, so you can go for positive factors also. So here I am considering x minus 1 as a factor. That means p of 1 value will be equal to 0. I have to get p of 1 value as 0. So I am putting p of 1. From this constant only I am taking these all because here my constant is minus 1. Minus 1 factors are plus 1 and minus 1. So I am going for these x minus 1 or x plus 1. We can check whether x minus 1 or x plus 1 as a factor of this polynomial. So p of 1, first I am considering s minus 1 as a factor of this polynomial. So, I am taking p of 1 as 0. So, I am substituting 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. From this itself it is clear that value is equal to 0. So, I got one factor as x minus 1. X minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So, I can divide this polynomial by this factor x minus 1 and I can evaluate and find out other factors from this. So, first division 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. Here not x, y. Here not x, I am considering it as y because all others are y. I am going to rub this. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. First 2y cube divided by y, which will give you 2y square, that I am writing here. Then this 2y square multiplied by this y will give you 2y cube. 2y square multiplied by minus 1 will give you minus 2y square. This value will be equal to 0 plus y square minus 2y square, which is equal to 3y square. I am bringing this 2y minus 2y here. So, I am taking this 3y square divided by y, which will give you plus 3y. I am writing here. Then plus 3y multiplied by y will give you 3y square. Then again 3y multiplied by minus 1 will give you minus 3y. Then minus 2y minus 3y will give you y. I am bringing this 1 here, y minus 1. Y divided by y will give you plus 1. 1 into y will give you y. 1 multiplied by minus 1 will give you minus 1. Then y minus y 0. Minus 1 minus minus 1, which is also equal to 0. So, got the polynomial as 2y square plus 3y plus 1. So, I have to go for two cases. P plus Q is equal to 3 and PQ. What is the value of PQ? Here I can't go for 1 because coefficient of y square is not 1. Coefficient of y square I have to consider for the multiplication. Here coefficient of y square is 2. So, I have to take this 2 here. So, PQ will be equal to 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. Then I have to find two numbers in such a manner that sum will be equal to 3 and product will be equal to 2. Directly I can go 1 and 2. 2 plus 1 will give you 3 and 2 multiplied by 1 will give you 2. So, I can write it as 2y square plus 1y plus 2y plus 1. This 3y term only I am splitting, other remaining term I am writing as such. Then I am going to group this. Here I am taking common term outside, here only y is common, so I am taking y outside. Remaining terms are 2y plus 1. Here there is no common term, so I am taking 1 only outside. So, 1 multiplied by 2y plus 1. So, I got it as 2y plus 1 common term and other factor is y plus 1. So, what are my factors? Y minus 1, y plus 1 and 2y plus 1 are my factors of this polynomial 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Since it is a cubic polynomial, you will be getting 3 factors. If it is a quadratic polynomial, you will be getting 2 factors. Hope you have understood this video. If you like my video, please like it, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.